Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? This is Juan Chavarriaga from Home Clean to Home, coming to you guys 2 years later with some brand new insider information on how to start your own cleaning business. So if you remember from 2 years ago, if you saw my video, I posted several tactics on how to start your own cleaning business, and some included paid advertisement, thumbtack, business cards, going around and introducing yourself to clients, to potential clients basically in their homes. But it's been about 2 years and I still have my business. I have Home Clean Home, which is based out of Chapel Hill, North Carolina. And we've been doing pretty well. So I just wanted to come around and give you basically a new update on how I've been getting my new jobs recently. So believe it or not, I don't even have to call many people anymore. I don't even have to go out and look for business jobs anymore. The best thing that has worked for me so far has been making my own website through GoDaddy. I basically started my own website, made it myself, used the template. I bought the search engine optimizing tool, which is essential to showing up on Google. You want to be near the top for your area. So that's how I've been getting my jobs. I basically just go to work, I sit back and I answer calls. I go to work, I'll do my cleaning, I'll vacuum, help my ladies out, and I'll get a call. I'll be like, hey, got a cleaning job for you. Are you interested? And that's how I've been doing it. So it's completely stress free. You don't have to print out a ton of flyers and go out there and basically not get any results. So that's how I've been getting my cleaning jobs. But I want to talk to you first about how to start your own business and how you should approach it. So a lot of you guys may be planning right now on, hey, maybe I want to start a cleaning business in the next few months. I don't know how to get started. The first thing you should do is hopefully you have some cleaning experience, because that's obviously the most important thing. But the first thing you should do is print out business cards. Now, getting the first job is pretty groundbreaking, because once you do that, you're like, hey, I'm in this thing. So I would recommend you guys go online, maybe Craigslist, maybe, I don't know, what's another website now that people are using, Craigslist, Yelp, or something like that, or the newspaper, where maybe somebody's looking for a housekeeper, somebody's looking for somebody to come clean their house. And then essentially what I would do is I would keep my regular job and then just kind of take on one of those jobs or two if you can get them, and just kind of see where that's going. And then once you really you feel like you're getting the hang of it, people aren't complaining about your job, then you can basically have your own business. And a lot of y'all might already been working cleaning for a long time for the big man, for the boss, and you want to start your own thing. Well, I'm gonna tell you what, right now is one of the best times to do it. Especially in my area in North Carolina, this place is blowing up. There's people moving in from everywhere. There's 2,000 homes being built 5 miles from my house. And you might be like, hey, there's a ton of other people with clean businesses. There's not enough space for me. The point is, you have 300 cleaners, let's say, and you've got 100,000 homes. The point is, there's definitely a business for it. And people are always going to need cleaners. People are going to recycle cleaners. They're going to use somebody else. It's just what happens. So don't ever get discouraged by the fact that there's other people doing it and are more successful, because you can start your own business and basically be more successful, if not as successful as these people are. So I always encourage people that, if you're tired of working for somebody, or if you always wanted, like, hey, there's great money in cleaning. I've seen people do it. I've seen people make money on it. I recommend that you guys go out and start that right now. So I'm gonna make some more videos. I haven't made videos in 3 years because I've kind of just been figuring out stuff myself, making sure that my business is where it needs to be, and that the advice that I give you guys is actually accurate. So since my last video, I actually have some better camera equipment. I actually have a tripod right now. I have a microphone, which a huge complaint was like that people couldn't hear me. So a lot changes in 3 years, but I'm very serious about the content I'm gonna give you guys. What steps you need to take in order to make your business legal. So basically it's going to be a channel to basically get your cleaning business off the ground, or just start it from scratch. I want you guys to comment, please subscribe. I'm going to be making a video. I'm going to make about 2 videos every week, because this is my passion. My passion is to help others get to where I am. I mean, I'm not making a ton of money on my cleaning business, but it does well, and I'm very happy with what I do. I love the people I meet, the ladies that I work with. I mean, they've been a great help to me. It's just been a great ride so far, and I just want to share the experience and hope that others around find the same calling as I did. But yeah, so far that's about it. I want to make sure that if you're just watching this video to kind of get your knowledge on how to start a cleaning business, I want to make sure that you know that the first thing you should do is get some business cards. Like I said, go online, find a couple of jobs, maybe ask around one of your friends, maybe have somebody that needs a housekeeper, and just try it out. Get in there, get your get your first job, pass out the business cards if you can, and just kind of start like that. And once you have that ground base, you can do a whole lot more. You'll be like, hey, I want this cleaning business thing. Let's build a website. You can do it. You can do it in about a couple of days. Go on GoDaddy.com, sign up, search a template, and basically you've built basically the most important thing of getting a cleaning business is to have a website where people can go see your reviews, see what you offer. And the thing is, when they call you, they're looking for you. It's not like you're putting a job on Thumbtack. What I don't like about it is, you're of course, you can get jobs if you bid well and you bid often, but the thing is you're competing with other people. Once that phone rings and you have that website up, I mean, the job's basically yours. I mean, there's not much you can do to mess it up. So I just recommend that that's the first thing that you do. Once you've settled up, is do a website, and that's going to be the key. Trust me, it's going to pay off long term when they're calling you nonstop on the phone. But like I said, it's not. It'll take some want and will, for you guys, for somebody to start it. And so then that's the main thing that I want to help out is can I help you guys out? You got any questions for me? What's the steps you need to be done to get your business license, which is super easy. So I'll be covering more of that stuff later on, but please like and subscribe, and any questions you guys have, please comment below. Completely dedicated to this. So I know I have some subscribers from 2 years ago saying, hey, why haven't you posted? But I'm back. I got a lot of I got a lot of information now that's gonna be able to get you guys a lot of jobs. So that's it, folks. So I appreciate you coming on here, checking me out, and I hope that you guys have a nice day and good luck with your business ventures. Like I said, this country is made up of people who want to work for themselves and start their own businesses. So this could be you potentially if you're watching this video. All right, guys, hope you have a great rest of your week, and look forward to hearing from you guys.